Hey everybody, Dave with Auto Glass Helpline here. Today we are going to swap out a cup and a pump on our WRD Base Handling Cup. This one, my pump is starting to wear out here. You can see that is slowly but surely making its way loose. And you test your cup, put your thumb over the suction here, pump, and it should stop. So we've got a new pump and a new cup. This cup is about 3 years old and it's starting to get some nicks and dings and stuff from the edges of the glass, so time to swap out both. So pretty simple. Just going to take a Phillips head screwdriver and unscrew the 4 screws here that are holding the handle to the cup. I know, super easy, but still gonna make a video on it. So I'm gonna loosen all 4 of those screws and then just lift the handle off. You have to hold this down a little bit and wiggle it to get it to let go because it holds in there pretty tight. And then you got your frame for your cup there. And then your pump is simply plugged into this little hole right here. So if you were just replacing the pump, all you would do is quite literally pull that off, plug this in, and then put your handle back on. But since we are swapping out both, I'm going to take our new cup and drive that in there. Make sure our threads are all clear on our cup here, and then turn that guy around, put your black frame here back in place, drop that back on there, and simply tighten down all 4 of your screws. You do not need to replace the entire thing when you have a cup go bad or when you have a pump go bad. Pumps usually wear out faster than the cups do. Like I said, this pad is about 3 years old and this pump is not 3 years old. This has been changed out a couple of times because the little rubber grommet in here starts to wear out, the lubrication starts to dry out, these things start to flatten or crack, and they just over time begin to lose suction. And then you can test it out on top of your toolbox on a piece of glass, however you wish to do so, and we are all good. That is swapping out a cup and a pump on your WRD Base Handling Cup. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.